another video. And today, my people, I'm in a new parish. We are at St. Andrew. Kingston and St. Andrew, but we are in the St. Andrew. And exactly, we are on Hope Road. I'm going to be walking that direction. My people, I'm going to be asking of you kindly to journey with me as I go. And I just want to show you the beauty of what Hope Road has to offer. Let me show you the artwork before I go further. Somebody did wonders here with all these paintings. I'll show you the beautiful. I'm just showing the world the beauty of my country, Jamaica. And as my intention is to travel in and around Jamaica and the world, my people, wherever I go, my intention is to take you with me. And I'm gonna ask, and I'm just hoping that you join me willingly and to see whatever Bless will be showing today. Exciting walk. It's gonna be a long one, and I'm gonna be asking of you, my people, to journey with me for the full journey. As we walk along, we show what we are seeing. So hope that you enjoy. So Huawei. Let's hope that you enjoy what we are showing, my people. And we will be walking that way. And we'll be showing the beauty of Hope Road today, my people. So take a look on the hills. Look at the beauty, my people. Yeah. So we'll be showing entrepreneurs, we'll be showing the business places that are in this area. Yeah. I'm just hoping that we have some interaction along the walk. So we'll be talking to people randomly as they're willing to talk on my camera today. So my people, good morning, good afternoon, depending on the time you come across this vlog. Ever Bless is saying welcome. Welcome to Hope Road, my people. Welcome to Hope Road, Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah, man. So I think come down. I'll say where we are. And whatever you are seeing, my people, that is what I am seeing, eh? So I think come down. It's another hotel there. Beautiful, beautiful country of mine. See? I like those flowers. Those. Really like those. And they are everywhere you go. Just looking forward to see what interesting things will pop up on my camera today. And they stick. There's, you know, crystal. So my people, what's that one? Really? That new to me. Yeah. So my people, this is Hope Road. Yeah, man. And the American Embassy start way. So we're walking past the embassy. Just I hope that for all the persons that are in a hurry to visit America, making the application today, you are one of the lucky ones that they say yes to. Yeah. That's the direction that I'm coming from. And I show somewhere that is familiar to you, I'm going to be asking a few more people to say something in the comment to Everbless. And if you would like to see me do more walk like this, I think that would give me some encouragement as to if I should walk my journey, or I should drive them, or I should ride them. Yeah, man. Some of the people I'll be traveling on all transport. I'll be in the ocean on a boat. I'll be on the ocean in a ship. But stay tuned for all of that, with people, because it's coming. See, I like these flowers. Really like them. See the beauty of these, my people. Really love them. And the plant and the property are they hanging over this here and giving Everbless a shade. Yeah, that is it, my people. Everbless not walking fast today, my people, walking slow to make sure that you guys take a good look on what I'm showing, or take a good look on the beauty that Hope Road has to offer. Yeah. This plant here is imitating banana, or planting. Look at the leaves. I know for sure that they are imitating banana or planting, you see it. So all those roads turn off all over the place. Everbless don't know exactly where they turn off to. Look at those houses way over on the hill. And they make road and go there and enjoy themselves and build while being there. My people, a rapid is there. You can check that out on Hope Road. That girl is cute. Who is the mother? Oh, that's Sovereign there. Sovereign is in the distance there, my people. Good morning, ladies. I'm Everbless Travel, YouTuber to the Kingston here. Thank you to Everbless Travel. Everbless Travel to watch YouTube. So many people as I go. All my supporters know well. They Everbless now walk the street. And a shout out people. My people, this interested building here VM Group. VM means Victoria Mutual. But I'm not sure. I'll be showing this, taking a look at this interesting building here, my people. Take a look. First I've seen anything like this, away from seeing it on camera. Some people take a good look at this building. Is this building looking like it is falling down? I'm gonna go from the other angle, my people, and show you what I am seeing. So I'm gonna be taking it. It's very interesting. It have an underground park in there. Some people from looking at it from this angle, does it look like it is falling this way? This a lot of creation in this building here. So I'll be walking through. I'm showcasing this building here. I've never seen one like this in Jamaica. Have you ever seen another one like this one? Have you ever seen another building like this one in Jamaica? This is the first one. It looked like it is falling this way, but I know that way it was built. Yeah, man. VMDS. Yeah. You didn't take notice?
No, I didn't bring it up.
Yeah, it looked like it's falling this way.
Yeah.
The people don't see ever blessed there. let me see if I can get take a thumbnail on this mirror building here. Yeah, man, only in Wapo Road. Yeah, man. Wow. Look at me, people. I'm just wondering if this camera is giving me justice as to the creativity in this building. Wow. I wonder if some of these mirrors, if they're gonna fall off the wall one of these days. So my brother, can you tell me how old is this building? You don't have a clue. But you sure say, but you know say it's lean and it passed through a lot of earthquake already.
Based on the architectural design,
yes.
Because of earthquake.
Eh?
Based on the architectural design, they purposely made it.
Oh.
And the architect wanted to leave his signature.
Wow.
That is creative.
Yes, it is very. I have never seen it.
Because when the rain falls, the rain is pouring.
Yeah.
And if you stand right there, you won't get wet in it.
Oh Lordy. Some people, I'm just hoping that I'm not exaggerating. Only what that this camera is giving me justice here. Am I excited or what? About it? Let me try something again. Let's see this heart here. Creativity at its best. Some people.
And this is the Victoria Mutual building.
Yeah, I see the VMBS. So the gentleman here is a security guard. So when you come at the building now, no will see you. And we will sit down underneath the palm tree as well. So my brother, check out Everblessed Travels on YouTube.
Blessing.
Because when I just came here, I asked if you're not scared of sitting there. Love my people. Just hoping that the camera is giving me justice as to how much. I wonder if I might just want to know how much this way it is tilt. You know, some of people. I think I have exaggerated enough about that building there, so I'm moving along. And this building is on Hope Road, my people, and it's the Victoria Mutual building. Yeah, man. Victoria Mutual are the group where Everblessed joined. So now I can see where Victoria Mutual are with some of my money them where they might charge me them large fee there for. Victoria Mutual. So now showcase on a big expensive building. I'm a partner, people. Look over this building here. Can you see those houses there? Do you still want to give a word on the camera? Without you showing? Okay. So my people, those are Ashley Group. Yeah, man. So those people, the Jehovah's Witness, they want me to look at this one. To the beauty, my people. I'm just giving a little story about some Jehovah's Witness people, my people. As I was walking there, they want to have a word with me. So I said, yes, you can have a word with me, but my camera will have to be on so that whatever you're saying to me, a lot more people can be aware of what you're saying. They said no. I said, what? They said, not on camera. I said, you're willing to talk to just me, so why not talk to the world? Instead, they said they have Jehovah's Witness all over the world, so they don't have to be on camera. So while I was passing by, I offered them again to give the word on camera without their faces showing. They still refuse. So I don't know. I'm not crazy. I'm a YouTuber. You might be seeing that. This guy is walking and talking to himself.
No, I never even.
I'm a YouTuber. I go by the name Everett Sam. You can check that, okay? All right, cool. So my people, as I walk and whatever I meet in the street, the experience I meet in the street, I want to share with you. Clean engine. Yeah. Some of people, that lady, there was just this lady. So as I was walking past her, stop like here. As I was walking past her, she was looking at me, and I was saying to her, I'm not crazy. She figured more or less that I was talking to myself. Some of people say do something now. Yeah, man. Well, that's my people. Ever best is showing what he's seeing. Nice the trucks. Yeah, man. So Ever Bless will be showcasing whatever he's seeing. Wow, right here is very cool. My people say Ever Bless school. Ever Bless school right here, right here. I wish I know where this road go and where that one go, so I could tell it to you. Alright. Barbican gone up the road. Alright, me say half a tree gone down the road, yes. Hope Road is, yeah man, up the road. So as I think I'm down the people, sharing my experience with you. So don't fight it, you know. Subscribe to the channel right there, and I will come back and appreciate. Yeah. Are you a happy client from the embassy?
Come on.
He says yes. Some people, the embassy is closed, and I just walk by. So I'm gonna, let me look on this and see what this is saying. So if I can get yeah, not going. So my people, we showcase in the street. We don't sell this. It's a promotion. Just subscribe to Ever Bless Travels for the promotion. The showcase, we are showcasing, we're not promoting. We're not promoting anything, my people, we're showcasing. Showcasing our experience as we walk along in the street. Good morning, Princess. I see another logo I want to showcase. Juicy. Some of people, I'm taking back. Juicy Puppy is right here, and the high-low is over there. Yeah, man. We're walking through. This church here is huge. Yeah, man. Methodist church. This Methodist church here is very big. Take a good look, my people. And they have a lot of parking space as well, and it is in front of Lane Plaza. Yeah man, they think I'm down. So Juicy is right there and Mother's is right here. And I want them to live good as neighbors, as the CM. And I see the security are have fun with people. Go and drop 2 legs on my security. You know what, you dropped 2 legs a while ago. And the legs are going to drop the Bible travels, you know. On YouTube. I go in there, Bible travel, YouTube. So I'm going to show you. I dropped 2 legs a while ago. Remember to subscribe to the page, okay? Bible travels. Okay?
Yeah.
You want to say hi? Okay. Come on, be for the security there. The trucks and legs a while ago. Let's get our back camera. Ruby's guest list. So many people we're showing the price of gas at the Ruby's gas station right there. See that people? Pick up a 70.
Bless.
Ever let's travel the walk with you?
Yes.
And you choose. People right here, all of this area that you see in there is the property of the US Embassy. If you avoid all problem, everybody say walk on the other side. Some people, as I said before, property of the US Embassy. All that. And in the distance there is where the people line up. We have Pizza Hut, Scotia, Welcome Place. Pick up yourself, you just have to come by the side there. Alright, alright. Yeah man, some people are in Super Value. Home Center road. take a little walk through and show my people some of the things Super Valu have to offer on Hope Road. See I live what thank my people? They are for sale. Yeah man. So I walk through. Some of people, as I was walking, this Super Valu is directly in front of the American Embassy. And one of my charges said, don't let them see a record in this area. And so I just turn the camera off and walk into Super Valu. Yeah man, so I'll show you all over them. So them big pretty sign, them people. See if it comes down. Yeah. So this hardware then so you get from us. Pin to a hanger. Some people, Super Valu Home Centre said, no, they not allow camera on the inside. I don't believe it. It is okay if I walk on the outside. But then company big enough. They don't need no one to showcase it. And I bet you, I'll right here one of the glass because I know so you see me come and you still reverse. This guy here. So we're walking through my people. I'm gonna be asking you please to give the, don't fight it, give the video a like right this side. And let's go. Showing you my people all that Hope Road has to offer. So my people, I've joined it from Hope Road and now I'm in this Boulevard Super Centre. That's on the boulevard. And I'm just walking through this plaza here. You have PLF there. I'm searching for a store that sells electronics. So I wonder if it's this place. Not that one. So I'm trying to see if I can find this place. I don't know where the place is. Searching for this place here. Not out here. Searching for this place. Yeah. My people, this is how the area is set up. Alright. Don't find that particular thing that I'm searching for my camera. So I'm gonna be walking. So you have Island Grill. So it's a plaza where you can get a wide range of stuff. They also have a food court. And the Douglas is walking through, showcasing beautiful things and places as I promise. That's how people know. Join with me as I go, searching for electronics. So in this area, it's a food court. We have a wide range of different Woolworths. People as they walk on this plaza continues. Yeah man, see there? Boulevard Super Centre. Yeah man, that is it. I walk the whole area. This here, my people, if you're coming from Kingston, that's the boulevard there. And we have in the distance there, we have the KFC. Come here, my princess.
Yeah, we get down the job
The entrance is you go around. One thing for sure. Out here, so hot. Summer people. As I said before, it's the Boulevard Super Centre and my people. We have covered a section of Kingston for you, my people, in our 14 parish tour. My people, this vlog will be coming to an end from the Boulevard Super Centre, my people. Ever Blessed is saying so long, and I, Ever Blessed, will see you in the next video. I'm gonna be asking you to like, share and subscribe to my channel, my people. Road to 3,000, not too far away.